HPI Jumpshot Flux, and last time we tried running this at speed we had a lot of well, basically it flipped every time, and our theory was the big monster truck body that's sitting up here, and the fact this has got no real chassis with a floor, every time the front lifted it was like a huge parachute and it was flipping it backwards. So we got 43 miles an hour upside down, but without the body we should get much better airflow, and hopefully this will run a bit faster. So it's bone stock, no mods apart from removing the body and associated posts. We'll see if we can get less air resistance and a bit more speed.
0 miles an hour.
Uh-oh. And that sounds like about quarter throttle. I know you're rolling it in gently. Nothing like going as far away as you'd ever have to walk before it goes wrong.
Well, that was quite fast.
Nice.
They're still not full throttle.
Yeah, a good decent amount of ballooning, even on the fronts, just through centrifugal force. Right, so current speed 49.86.
Whoa!
This thing's rapid. This is bone stock, stock gearing, stock tyres, just a 3S battery. Absolutely bone stock. So we're 7 miles up just through removing the body. I say this isn't even a pinion change or anything. This is pure bone stock for a bashing two-wheel drive monster truck. That's insane.
Yep.
So after a few more runs, 52.6 miles an hour. That is unbelievable for this being absolute bone stock. We've got a little bit of scrapage, look. Some metal shock caps might need to come into play in this thing's future.